Update, we are stopping for dinner and we are having Colton's. Let's go to Colton's and have some dinner. Look at Switsy Boo. Thank you, Mom. Right, we're having some peanuts. Baquito is having a little issue because he's allergic to peanuts. So, no, he's allergic. He's allergic to peanuts. I don't want to.
Hey, sunshine. Hi, sunshine. Hi, gorgeous. Recording.
We got some fried pickles. Yummy fried pickles and some Bud Light.
Where's my blooming onion?
So we got some appetizers, some drinks, and I'm about to grub. I just got finished feeding Allie, and nobody told me that my lips need lipstick. I know. Nobody cares.
Oh, golfer? Now I have to think differently because I said gopher.
These sweet potato fries come with a marshmallow sauce. This is a snack. This is a snack right here. It's so good. This is so good.
Table looks like
this in a jar.
we devoured the food.
So Isabella was saying that she choked on a noodle?
No cheese.
I took the mozzarella cheese, but I remember we used to like take noodles and we'd swallow them, but not like eat them, just swallow them. And it'd be a really long noodle and then you'd pull it out and you'd throw it, and then eat it. It's really gross.
Who else did that with their oodles of noodles?
I didn't even mean to do that. It just went straight down my throat. I was like, I tried to chew, but then it went. And I'm like, oh!
Like an exorcism happens and you're just like,
Medium rare, does the bare minimum it needs to be cooked?
No.
No,
People eat rare.
You can eat it rare or raw.
You can, but it's not suggested because raw meat has bacteria.
I know, but like this is like the bare minimum without having any rules.
I guess. Huh?
still has risk.
Yeah. It always has risk.
Like what?
Such an name.
Bacteria, parasites,
Parasite.
but it tastes good.
Oh my god.
Why would you guys not tell me about this?
Can you have this?
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
That's like saying, yeah,
I'm not driving.
both go down in history.
I'm not driving, so that's why I'm having a couple of drinks. And it's been a long day. And this Vlogmas situation has
Hitler
me
was worse.
stressed out.
Let me tell you this story. So there was this girl, right? And I don't know her, but like we're acquaintances because we have friends in common, right? And she dropped the pencil, and it was like toward me, and this dude named Nate. Nate is my friend. Like I know Nate.
Oh, baby. We're closing out for today. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. It sounded like she said bye.
This is my outfit for today. Very casual. Just white jeans, black shoes, and a hoodie, a button-up hoodie that says Babe, and a red lip. And yeah, just I wanted to show you guys the personalized doll that I got for Allison. And I got this from Personal Creations. This is what she looks like. She's a little ballerina with a little bun on her head. Allison likes her, but I think she may be a little scared. A little intimidated by the doll. You want her? Yeah, so this is a doll that I got her for Christmas, her first little personalized doll. As you can see on her dress, can you see? Yeah. And I'm not sure if Allie is scared of it or excited, but as you can see, it's a ballerina. She's a little brunette with a little bun on her head, and she has a little sequins bow. And on her dress, it has Allison embroidered on it. I wanted to put Allison Rose, but the amount of letters didn't fit. So yeah, this is her first little personalized doll, and she likes. Oh no, you gotta be nice. You gotta be nice to your doll. So I think she likes her, but She may be a little freaked out by it. But I'm gonna wrap her up because Allie's getting her for Christmas. Hopefully by Christmas she won't be so scared of it. The first time when I opened it, I showed it to her and Allison was actually really scared. So I'm gonna put her in a box. And I have to put you down. I have to put you down, Mama. Come on. Yeah, these are very pretty. They're very soft. There's nothing hard on the doll itself. The only thing is that the sequins might be a little scratchy, but it's just small, in small little areas, so it's not a big deal. So I'm making an omelet and I didn't put any oil in the pan. This is one of our new copper pans and look at this. Look at this, it's not even sticking at all. That's amazing. I love this pan. Let me see if I could get this to stand. This is, got it. I'm just gonna put the omelet in a nice plate, and there it is. Look how pretty. Look how cute my omelet is. I'm not trying to make nobody hungry, but this looks really good, and it's stuffed. My omelet is stuffed. Oops. Maybe I should have used a bigger plate. I love mushrooms. Fun fact. Love mushrooms. Goodness. Matcha. And I make it with almond milk. And I don't add any extra sugar to it, so. Let's show your beautiful little walker. And look at you gliding. You're supposed to be trying to walk, not gliding. I have to put the setting up. It looks like she grew a little bit. Come on, Allie, come on. So anyway, I have been wrapping gifts all morning. I ate my omelet and I need to reapply some lipstick. So these are the gifts that I've got done so far. Well, these are the ones that have the tags. I still have to put some ribbon and some tags on these, and I still have presents to wrap. So I'm not done. So I'm still working on this. Some This is tul. This is gold glittery tul, and I have silver. So I'm just gonna wrap some tul around each present just to give it a little bit of more a glam look. And not all the gifts are gonna have this, so just trying to make at least some of them pop really good. And this is just leftover tul that I used, that I had from my daughter's Sweet 16, and I stored it away for another project, and it's very useful right now. Allie, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna write the name on it. You want mommy to do it? Vamos, pues. Oh, your little thighs are so cold. Hello. Hello. Allie is in her car seat. This is the car seat that she came home in from the hospital, but I ended up buying another one, which I have in my car, but I think I'm going to switch it back out to this one. So I just washed the interior here, and I just put her here because she's fussy. She doesn't want to be in her walker, and she doesn't really want anyone to hold her. Allie, you going to take a nap? Look at you. Look at how big you look. Why are you kicking? Look at I love when she kicks her little feet like that. You look so cute. She's grown so much since we brought her home in that car seat. Look how big she looks. Look how big you look, little girl. She's getting something for Christmas that's gonna go tie up right here and tie up right here so she can play. I really wanted to give it to her sooner, but it's only a couple more weeks till Christmas, so we'll just wait to give her that for Christmas. Oh, talking about Christmas, I was slaving away all day wrapping all these gifts. Believe it or not, this took me all day to do all this. And it's not, you know, I had to go like get all the gifts from the room and different places and organize. So that's what I was doing all day, doing all those gifts. And I have them up here because Allie's in her walker and she's already messed up a few of the gifts that we have under the tree. So this little one is a gift grabber. This is a perfect opportunity for me to tell you guys what this thing is back there. Not that thing. The thing behind her is actually the initial electric fireplace that we got for the living room. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but we did buy a second fireplace and we switched it out because this one just has like a marble detail. Let me turn it on. Right. So this, hello? So this one has a marble detailing on it, and so this one comes with a base. The other one just had a really small base, and this one is just a little bit bigger. Sorry about that wire. That's the Xbox that don't belong up here.
Is okay.
No, it's not. So we changed out the fireplace, and this one has a glass compartment in here. You can put whatever you want in there. But look at how nice this one is. It has, like I said, the marble detailing, and I just thought this one would be nicer for the living room. And Gabriel found this at Lowe's for the same price that we got the other one. And this is actually designed. This is by the Scott Brothers. I don't know if you guys watch Property Brothers, but they have an exclusive, they have some exclusive pieces at Lowe's, and this is part of their collection. And this is Andrew, what is his name? Drew and Jonathan? Yeah. So this is by the Scott Brothers. It's available at Lowe's. Only at Lowe's. We tried to look if Amazon carried this piece and they don't. So they are exclusive to Lowe's. But like I said, it's just a little bit wider than the other one and it comes out a little bit more. The other fireplace that I got from Amazon is perfect for really small places. So this one is just a little bit bigger and it has the base, which I love. It has that glass compartment and the mantle is just a little bit bigger. So I pretty much decorated it the same way that I did the other one. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. Let me know your thoughts. And this one is fighting, so I'm gonna have to get her out. She's done with being in here. She's like, look, if we're not gonna go nowhere, just get me out. So let's get her out. Let's get her out. Baby's hungry.
Food is almost done.
Well, I have to feed the baby. She's hungry. So I'm gonna feed her and I'll see you guys later.